This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership. Make sure the Apple ID email and recovery phone or email are accessible. Once done, back up iCloud content to iCloud or local storage so nothing is lost. Next, sign out every device using that Apple ID and disable Find My on each device. This prevents activation locks later. If you can't sign out remotely, note the device's serials. Doing these steps first avoids data loss and access issues when you request account removal. Now you request removal via Apple's Data and Privacy Portal or contact Apple support directly. This is where you initiate deletion of an inactive Apple ID. Provide the required identity verification so Apple can confirm you're the account owner. They may ask for ID and last used device details. At this stage, choose whether to export data beforehand. Apple offers an archive, or proceed to deletion. Make sure you understand secondary accounts, like subscriptions and family sharing, will be impacted. To finish, follow the confirmation email and any final verification steps Apple sends. You may need to confirm within a set time frame. Once confirmed, Apple processes the deletion. There's often a short recovery window, so act quickly if you change your mind. If the request stalls because of unpaid subscriptions, activation locks, or missing verification, contact Apple support and give them your proof of ownership, device serials, and any billing records. This resolves most blocks and completes the removal safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.